Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews to help you make better choices. Today, we're looking at the Hamilton Beach Blender and Toaster Bundle, which includes an 850-watt smoothie blender and a 2-slice toaster. If you're into smoothies and toasted bread, this bundle promises to deliver convenience with its array of features. But do these products live up to their claims? Let's find out. The Hamilton Beach Blender is designed for the everyday user, especially if you're someone who enjoys smoothies, shakes, or any drink that requires a powerful blender. It's powered by an 850-watt motor and boasts a unique wave action system, a feature patented by Hamilton Beach. This system ensures that your ingredients are continuously forced down into the blades for a smoother blend, even when tackling harder foods like ice and frozen fruits. There's also the Auto Smoothie program. Just press one button, and the blender will automatically adjust its pulse speed to handle everything from ice crushing to smooth blending. The blender's 40-aughts jar is sizable, allowing you to make large batches of smoothies, shakes, or even soups if you're into meal prep. The jar itself is dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup less of a hassle, and the easy-to-clean electronic touchpad provides a nice touch for maintaining a sleek, modern look in your kitchen. The compact design means it fits under your cabinets without taking up too much counter space, making it ideal for people with limited kitchen space. The toaster, part of this bundle, is equally versatile. It features extra-wide slots, perfect for fitting thicker slices of bread, like Texas toast or bagels, along with frozen waffles or pancakes. This toaster also includes a bagel setting, defrost function, and 7 shade options for precise control over how golden your toast comes out. One notable feature is the Toast Boost, which lifts smaller slices like English muffins higher so they're easier to grab once they're done. For those who enjoy a variety of breads or breakfast items, this toaster offers a lot of flexibility. Now let's talk real-world use. Setting up the blender is a breeze. Adding ingredients like frozen fruit, spinach, or ice, and selecting the Auto Smoothie program produces a silky, smooth texture with minimal effort. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie maker or a beginner, the blender handles a variety of ingredients and does so consistently well. The wave action system lives up to its promise, as it breaks down even tough ingredients without leaving chunks behind. The blender is also surprisingly quiet, which is a plus for those early mornings when you want to avoid waking up the whole house. The toaster is equally straightforward. In my testing, the extra-wide slots comfortably accommodated thicker slices of bread and bagels. The bagel setting is a nice touch, ensuring a perfect crisp on the cut side of the bagel, without over-toasting the exterior. I also found the defrost function to be efficient, especially when it came to frozen waffles. The Toast Boost feature was particularly helpful, as it lifted the bread just high enough for easy retrieval, which is often an issue with standard toasters. In terms of pros and cons, let's start with the blender. The wave action system is a standout feature, ensuring consistently smooth results, and the Auto Smoothie function is a time saver for anyone looking for a quick, no-fuss smoothie. The compact design is a big win for people with limited counter space, and the fact that it's easy to clean is always appreciated. On the downside, while the 850-watt motor is powerful, it's not quite at the level of more expensive blenders when it comes to ultra-hard tasks like grinding nuts or tougher seeds. So you may need to pause and scrape down the sides if you're blending something particularly fibrous. But for most people making regular smoothies, this won't be an issue. As for the toaster, the extra-wide slots and versatility make it a great choice for families or anyone who enjoys a variety of breads. The Toast Boost is a thoughtful addition, making it easier to retrieve smaller items. However, it's not the fastest toaster out there. If you're in a rush, you may find yourself waiting a little longer for your toast to reach the perfect level of crispness. But again, this is a small trade-off for a toaster that delivers consistently good results. Now, let's talk about value for money. This bundle is priced to be accessible, making it a solid choice for those who want decent performance without breaking the bank. The blender handles everyday tasks with ease, and the toaster is reliable and functional. You're getting 2 products that serve their purpose well at an affordable price. That said, there are certainly more premium options out there, especially for the blender, where you might get a more powerful motor or additional features. But for the price, this combo does what it promises and more. In terms of comparisons, similar blenders in the same price range, like the Ninja or Oster models, offer comparable performance, but they often lack the smoothness and consistency the Hamilton Beach blender provides with its wave action system. Other toasters at this price point may not have the extra wide slots or the toast boost feature, which is a nice added bonus. While this bundle isn't exactly the cheapest out there, it certainly offers more versatility than some competitors in the same price bracket. As for build quality, both the blender and toaster feel sturdy and well made. The materials used for the blender are solid, and the toaster has a sleek stainless steel finish that gives it a premium look. Though I haven't used these products long enough to speak to long-term durability, Hamilton Beach has a reputation for building reliable kitchen appliances, so you can expect these products to last as long as they're properly maintained. If you find yourself needing customer support, Hamilton Beach generally gets positive feedback for its service. Though I didn't have any issues requiring support, the brand's reputation suggests that should you need help, you're in good hands. Overall, this Hamilton Beach blender and toaster bundle offers a lot of value, especially for those who want a simple, effective blender and toaster that will last for years. If you're not seeking the absolute highest end performance, this bundle is a great option for everyday use. Whether you're making smoothies in the morning or preparing a quick breakfast, both appliances will get the job done efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Hamilton Beach bundle, feel free to drop them in the comments. And you can also find the link to grab one for yourself in the comments box. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Goodbye till next time. Remember, we're always here with Reviews Inside TV for your next great kitchen find.